AI isn't coming for the strong. It's coming for the average, the men who coast, the men who follow, the men who wait for permission. It will replace you, quietly, silently, without mercy. You think AI is a threat to everyone equally. It's not. It hunts the predictable, the replaceable, the ones without standards. And here's what changes everything. Rule number 1. Most men stay comfortable. They stick to routines. They rely on old skills. They hope effort alone protects them. The 1% evolve before the threat arrives. They learn privately. They adapt silently. They own new skills before anyone notices. Person A waits for AI to disrupt his job, complains, panics, stays average. Person B studies it quietly, upskills, creates value no machine can replace. Truth? Survival isn't luck. It's preparation before the world notices. Rule number 2. Most men chase trends. They copy others. They imitate. They follow the crowd. The 1% create standards. They decide what matters. They ignore noise. They build identity that is unreplaceable. Person A jumps on every AI fad, spends energy, gets distracted. Person B masters fundamentals, uses AI as a tool, not a crutch. One is replaceable. One is indispensable. Truth? Tools change. Identity doesn't. Rule number 3. Most men react. They panic when change hits. They complain when systems shift. They wait for someone else to lead. The 1% respond. They act deliberately. They control their output. They stay unseen until they're unshakable. Person A panics when AI enters his field. He loses confidence, loses ground. Person B observes, adapts, executes privately, wins quietly. Truth? The loudest panic doesn't survive. The quiet preparation does. Imagine this version of you. Private, not caught off guard, not reactive. You anticipate, you adapt, you evolve while others stay average. You move silently. You learn relentlessly. Your skills are invisible. Your standards are untouchable. The world changes. You remain unshakable because you control what matters before anyone else knows it. Tonight, learn one skill that AI can't replace. Read, practice, build. Alone. No one needs to see it. No one needs to know. Do it privately. Do it consistently. Do it until it becomes invisible strength. The average man waits. The strong man adapts. And the difference? Survival is silent. Excellence is private. AI isn't coming for you if you're already preparing.